So we are in the city of Holyhead in Wales. And these are some sort of druid stones, I believe. The ship is right over there, docked. Main part of town stretches out that way. And we're going to take a little walk through it. But just as soon as I came up here, it started raining. So there's probably rain all over the lenses. Let's walk into town. Oh, room to expand. So that says 1813 to 1895. Of course, some of these they're just worn. That one's not too worn. '83, 1976.
It's weird how some of them are like they only edged to here.
Well, we're walking from the park and the cemetery down into the main part of town, you might say. The Buffs Club. But these are, residential homes.
Holsberg and Guess.
Tetley's Tea. Shogun. The name of that car. I'm walking down South Stack. I think it maybe changed names. We find ourselves here. But where here? A beer garden.
Stanley Arms.
Stanley Arms. Well, that doesn't look like a beer garden, does it? But maybe that is. There are lots of voices. Maybe over that wall there. Well, let's walk through this. So this is like the main street through this town. And here's the Stanley Arms. We put a ramp there. And we're going to cross this street as soon as we get a chance, which is now. Look at that. Or that. And there's the Empire Cinema. And it's Sunday here in Holyhead. And everything, well, not everything, lots of things are closed. Lots of things. We're gonna head down this street right here. Guess you wanted to park there. So this is kind of the main street. I think it's called William Street, although it changes names as you travel along. So, whoa! We just bought a shot glass in this store that sells shoes, and this is pork salted. So that's, of course, the flag of Wales. There's one right there. And if we cross this bridge here, we'll be at the terminal where we can get a shuttle bus back to the ship. And I'm guessing there's a long, long line. Of course, we made this video kind of in reverse. We walked all the way up the hill there to the stones and then recorded coming back. But this is the way we came a few hours ago into town. There's the ship. Hi. Of course, Holyhead, or Holyhead, is on an island, like Angelise or something. So we're actually on an island right now. It's a big island. Well, I guess the British Isles are big islands, no? Yeah, see up on the hill there? It sprinkled for a few minutes today and then nothing more. When we got off the shuttle bus in that terminal, there was a huge line waiting to get on. Hopefully there won't be a huge line, right? Anyway, there are also stairs right there. You can see the yellow. So if you don't want to do the ramp and go fast, of course it's a train station and a bus station and also ferry boats. The terminal here, I believe. Anyway, you can see the bridge a little better now. The seagull on top. That looks like the end of the line. Take me to the end of the line. And I put on my sunglasses, but I guess I don't really need them anymore. So, this is Gareth.
I'm Janet, and we'll see you in the next port.
Bye.
Bye from Holyhead.
Hey, the next port is Belfast, Northern Ireland. Follow along.